not make it?
I don't know what's going on with her. I'm gonna text her and find out if everything's good because she has to contribute to the project. So I just want to make sure that she's at our meetings, and
Yeah.
I'll text her. But
Okay.
okay, so
Okay, I'm almost there. I'm just going to look at my past quizzes and see so I can look at the answer.
Oh wow, that's a lot of questions.
it's only 16.
Yeah, I guess. Typically don't have like 12.
No, we always
No.
have 16 or 18.
No. No.
Okay.
So the first
Oh, snaps.
question in a pie chart, why are the slices different sizes? I picked the third one.
Okay, and that is
Each slice
correct.
represents a factor
Yeah.
category. How are bar charts and Pareto charts? What are Pareto charts again?
They're the ones that the bar charts like in order of size, like highest to lowest.
The only
Yeah.
difference is that, yeah, so the third one there.
Mm-hmm.
The only difference is that the bars in Pareto chart are ordered largest to smallest, going
So
from
the
left to
last
right.
one. Yeah.
Yep. We conclude that P bar is normally distributed if NP is greater than 10 and N times 1 minus P is greater than 10. Is the
Mm-hmm.
P the true proportion or the sample proportion? I think P would be the true proportion, right?
Right.
Okay, because P bar would be sample.
Yeah.
What is N? The number of candidates in the election, I guess.
No, the N is the sample size.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
sorry.
sample size, it's the n stays the same through all of that.
Sweet.
Mm.
And if P equals 1/4, what is the smallest N that satisfies the requirement? Would it be 40?
Yeah.
Yep.
It would
Do
be.
you know the
Mm-hmm.
formula for this stuff?
I figured it out, but yeah, because you have to kind of use algebra to figure it out.
Yeah. So the mean of P bar, I think you have to do the P minus one minus
So suppose N is equal
one
to
minus.
24 and P is equal to zero point 0.4. 4.4.6, 24 times zero point 0.6. Isn't that 18?
On question 8,
Yeah.
That's not. That's not how you do it.
Oh, how do you do
question
it?
8, you do
You do the P times one minus P over N and then square root it, I believe.
uh-huh.
Oh, wow. What was that formula again?
So
it's
it's go ahead.
0.04
Yeah.
times 1 minus 0.04 over 24, and then you square root that whole thing. I don't really
So 0.4 times
have,
zero
I
point
don't have a
0.6,
calculator with it.
Yeah, so it's 0.4 times 1 minus 0.4.
which is
But the one minus
0.024
4, the
divided
one
by
minus
the square root of
4 is
24. So I got
Right.
0.004, well, 0.005.
It's the answer is 0.4.
Oh, 0.
So you
0.4?
go point, you go
square root it, Nile. You have to square the whole thing.
Oh, square the whole thing, not just 24.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's 0.4 times 1 minus 0.4 over 24, and then you square root that whole thing.
And then that divided by 24, you say?
Yeah, so 0.4
times
times
0.6.
Times 0.6.
I don't have a
divided
calculator.
Divided by 24, and then you do the square root of that. And why is that not? I'm doing the wrong problem.
Oh, well, I have 0.316 then.
Well, I just know that I took the quiz and I got that one right.
And
Okay, and you said
got
it was 0.4?
And I got 0.4.
Do I need, so this 0.4 is what you would put it in, right?
Yeah.
Well, either one works. What is the standard deviation of the p-bar? Is that another formula then that we have to find out?
Oh, wait a minute. On question 8, that isn't the formula, Allie. It's that thing that's p bar equals p or whatever. So 8 is 0.4.
Mean of the p bar, mean of the district. Okay, Sorry,
And
that was
then
my bad.
9, then 9 is the formula that you just gave Niall.
So 0.316?
It's 0.1.
0.1. Huh.
So you do 0.4 times 0.6 divided by 24, and then you get the square root of that, and it's 0.1.
Huh. Must be doing this wrong. 0.6 divided by 24.
Wait, so okay, for 9,
0.01.
9 I got 0.1.
Yep, that's correct.
Oh, must be doing a different formula.
Niall's just trying to figure out how to do it. So you do 0.4 times 0.6 divided by 24, and then the square root of that.
Yeah, and I keep getting 0.316.
Really?
Yeah.
0.4 times 0.6 equals so if you do 0.4 times 0.6, I get 0.24.
Yep.
Divided by 24 is 0.01. Then you square root.
Yeah.
And then it's 0.1.
I don't know why it keeps giving me something different. It's weird.
I don't know either.
Oh. Well, maybe I was just clicking the wrong button because I just did it again.
And got the right one?
Yeah. Brittany's batting average is 0.300. If we want to determine the probability that she will get more than 35 hits in her next 100 bats, N equals 100, P equals 0.3. What is P bar?
It's 0.35 because that's how much the sample is. We're trying to see if she's going to get more than, right?
Yep, that seems about right.
So P bar is 0.35?
Uh-huh.
So this one would be 0.3 times 0.65, right?
For 11?
Yeah.
0.3.
Divided by 100.
Yep.
And then...
no, it's 0.3 times 0.7.
Would it be 0.7?
Yeah, because it's P times 1 minus P. So
11 is 0.7?
11, the answer to 11 is 0.046. And the way you get that is it's 0.3 times 1 minus 0.3. And so 1 minus 0.3 is 0.7. So it's 0.3 times 0.7 divided by 100, and then the square root of that.
So, okay, wait, let me see if I can do this.
Yeah, I got 0.046.
Mm-hmm.
So 0.046?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, 0.0458, but you round that up to 0.046.
Right.
So the z-score formula for this, it's z equals, in parentheses, p bar minus p,
so that'd be 0.5.
Divided by the square root of p times 1, so it's p parentheses 1 minus p close parentheses all over n. And
right.
Then you square root the entire bar.
But so it's just what we did. So it's 0.35 minus 0.30 over what we just did.
So 0.046 times 0.05.
So it should be 1.087.
What'd you say?
1.087 is what I got for number 12.
Yeah. Okay.
You say 1?
1.087.
That's so weird. I don't know why. All right. Because basically, in the end, you're just doing 0.05 times 0.046, right?
No, you're doing 0.35 minus 0.30.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, did you already get 13?
We're working on 12.
Oh,
okay, we can just move on to 13. What is the probability Brittany gets at least 35 hits in her next 100 at-bats?
So then you have to take the z-score, put it into the applet.
Okay. So put 1.087.
Mm-hmm.
No, I got 0. Yeah, you have to put in 1.087 into the applet, and then you shade.
It's
can't
greater,
remember what-
right?
Greater. Yeah, you shade greater. So then the answer should be 0.139 or 13.9%.
0.139. So 13.9%.
So 0.139.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Sorry,
If the
repeat that.
true, oh sorry, if the true proportion of people who support a political candidate is p equals 0.52 and the sample size is 2,000 people,
Hold on,
we want
Danielle.
to determine the probability. Oh, sorry.
I just asked to repeat what you guys said for 13.
It's 0.139.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. The probability, we want to determine the probability that the results of the survey will suggest the candidate is losing the election, getting less than 50% of the votes. What is the standard deviation of p bar? Is that the same formula as getting the standard deviation of p? Or
Well, it's P hat or whatever it's called it's the same formula. It's
okay.
P times 1 minus P over N, and then the whole thing's square rooted.
Okay,
So it's 0.52 times 1 minus 0.52 over 2,000.
So 0.52 times 0.48 divided by 2,000.
2,000 and then square root. So it should be 0.011.
0.011, yeah. That's what I got.
And then now to do the z-score, we do 0.50 minus 0.52 divided by 0.011.
Did you say 0.50 minus 0.52?
0.50 minus 0.52. So it
the
turns
answer
out to
would
be a
wind up being
negative.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 0.02 times whatever the original answer was.
Yeah, 0.50. Oh, yeah. 0.011 divided by that, yes.
Uh-huh.
So I got negative 1.818.
Okay, wait, negative 0.818
Negative 1.818
for 13.
for 15.
Oh, what was 14?
0.011.
Yeah.
0.11 and 15 was what?
1.818.
Negative?
No, yeah, negative. Sorry.
Andrea just texted me. Sorry, that's why I was distracted. She dropped the class.
Oh.
I was like, thanks for letting us know. She's like, yeah, sorry, good luck. She's like, if you could remove me from the group text, that'd be great. Thanks.
Wow.
All right. Good to know.
Sucks.
I've wanted to drop this class every day, but I'm not going to do it.
I mean,
Me too.
I don't know why you would drop it more than halfway through.
I know, exactly.
I actually don't mind it because she does a really good job with her videos.
Her videos are great. It's the online textbook that makes me feel so stupid.
Yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and finish this last one. What is the probability that the survey results will show the candidate is losing, even though the true p is equal to 0.52?
So then you have to put that negative 1.818 in the applet.
Okay. And that winds up being
0.035 because you round up.
So a 3.5% chance.
So it's for
0.35. Yeah. What? I mean,
0.011.
14 is 0.011.
So 0.011.
Uh-huh.
15 was negative 1.818.
Uh-huh.
And 16 is 0.035.
Yeah.
Yep. I just took it and got 100%.
All right.
Nice.
So I guess
Hey, Allie or Niall, when you guys take the homework quiz, the homework quiz, would one of you guys tell me how in the heck you got those answers for 3 and 4? I cannot figure out what I did wrong.
What was the answer, or what was the thing for 3 and 4?
So it's doing exactly what we're doing right here, where you plug the z-score in. And I've done it like 4 times. And then I went over to my friend and she did it. And she's like, I don't know how you're getting the wrong answer.